rising up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your store. I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having a day in the life of a busy, happy Starseed mama. Alright, so Lego. I know I haven't done these, but I'm about to start, so I hope y'all ready for some fun. Okay, so I'm about to go pick up chunk-a-lunks. Let me get ready. And then I'll be over there in a second. Just got her. Let me make sure it's closed. I got her jacket. I got her elf, and I got my jacket. And I'm gonna go get some, I gotta go get some gas, and then I'm gonna go pick her up. Let me show you her cute jacket. This is her new jacket. This is the LK Duncan. Okay. As y'all saw when I got it, it's $12. And he's in a munchkin. Okay. He a little elf munchkin. Let's leave him there. This is her jacket. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? It's so warm. And of course her hat is in here because it's cold outside. This is her hat. Okay, so let's go. I pick up early all the time from daycare, so it's not new for them, you know. Okay, all right, let me get out of here. I just love this mirror. Okay, I'm about to go get some gas, so y'all can come along with me. I never even thought to, all the day in the life vlogs, I never even thought to show y'all when I get gas. Which is all the time, unless a kind gentleman wants to step in and, you know, fill it up for me. But Lego, once this bus moves from behind me, as you see, I cannot get out until he moves. And yeah, I have more stuff in the back, you see that, to donate. Okay, let me go get my ice. So I always have a cup in the car. I have my real phone. Hi, honey.
I thought he was on the phone. That's why I was like,
You want to be on it?
huh?
You want to be in it?
Yeah, that's cool. What's up?
So my real phone.
Hey, how y'all doing?
My favorite employee. Okay. He's the bomb.
My favorite customer.
Oh, thank you. So I'm getting ice. Don't always get ice.
Stay out here for the ice.
Yeah, I got problems. So I just thought about recording. That's why. So I'm already prepared. I got 4. How many cups of ice do I have?
4. 5.
Yeah, I got 5.
I don't know why I always.
This is from the truck. I know, this is from the truck. So this doesn't count.
You said this doesn't count.
No. Okay, so I can't hold it. Wait. Okay. Yeah.
He already
Oh.
did it.
Okay, so I got it. I didn't think I could make it. So let's see what they have today. You know. I'm gonna tell you when I'm ready.
You said what?
I said I'm gonna tell you when I'm ready.
Alright, one second. Let me.
Yeah, you know, I'm just looking around.
I feel. Hey, do your
So it's very clean in here. Okay.
You try. Keep it clean.
Royal Farms is very clean. Oh.
Wow.
All right, I'm gonna have to stop because y'all playing music. Okay, so basically I had to do a voiceover because they was playing music and YouTube is gonna copyright me. Anywho, so this is my favorite time. I have a cooler and we about to get on a road trip like I told y'all. Well, I'm about to tell you. So I'm just preparing myself and I'm getting all this ice, and this is my regular routine because after I leave Dunkin', I usually come get my ice and then I start, you know, doing my rounds. And Krispy Kreme, I just drove 45 minutes to get to Krispy Kreme. It was like almost an hour. I could have went to a whole nother state just to get Krispy Kreme. Like, ooh, look at these. Oh my goodness. I think I definitely was a fat girl in my other lifetime. I just can't help myself. And of course, let's get some scratchies. I already got that when I first walked in and I won. I took a picture. All right. Now I'm on. Okay. Out there. Once again, the music was going crazy. But anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section if y'all love to get ice. This ice, I've been having cravings for it anyway. It's like when you have a baby and you at the hospital and they give you ice chips. This tastes so good. It's like hospital ice. So delicious. I can't even control myself. Like every day I go, morning and night. This all the employees know me and I love them. They love me. Hey guys. So they watch my channel also. So let me know in the comment section below if you OD on ice also like I do. I mean, this is a lifestyle. I'm telling you, this is not even for YouTube. This is what I do. I get ice every single day. Now let's pick up chunks. Very good. You say hi?
Baby. Baby.
Go. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that doll. Nova. Okay. We got you.
Baby. Baby.
You have fun at daycare? You had a good time? Nice. Come on. Come on, let's go sit down. So today was red. Tomorrow's ugly sweater day. No. Keep it on, please. You still. Okay, so basically I got a gift in the mail. Hey, look at my little Christmas lights. Jingle bells. Yes. So let's guess what it is. I'm about to unbox. Okay, what did I get? Let's see if Santa was nice to me. What is it? It is a house net. Centra fungal, it looked like it said, but it's a juicer. Anyway, I don't know. It's a juicer, so let's open it. Okay, first let's have a snack break. So basically, she loves these Teddy Grahams, and then I have the soap because I'm about to do detergent. I'm about to do my homemade detergent like I have in my previous video. If y'all could check it out, DIY. I do my own detergent. Thank you very much. And that's pink Zote soap. I have white soap, pink and white ones. So I'm gonna grade it and show you how, you know, I do my laundry detergent. But anyway, guys, back to this. Now I'm trying to open it, but of course, you know, I need a knife. But I'm gonna keep trying. Let me keep looking. And yeah, I just realized that I'm gonna need a knife. Okay, so I got the knife. Now I'm about to do this. So I'm about to get some nice, so it's centrifugal juicer. I was like, centrifugal, what's that about? Anyway, let's see. I hope it's stainless steel. And I have so many juicing ideas, so many juicing videos that I'm about to drop on y'all. Okay. And let me see. I'm trying to open it. Okay, come on. Okay. So I keep getting interrupted by her. But anywho, guys, tell me in the comments below if y'all make your own detergent, healthy living. Okay. I don't know where to get this from, so I'm just gonna, you know, I'll probably put a link in the description box, but I'm gonna look it up. Does anyone else look up in Google like the things that people buy them and how much it costs? Am I the only one? No judgment. Okay, this is a judgment-free zone. I'm just asking. I do that all the time. But anywho, so are y'all up to date now with y'all gifts? Have y'all finished wrapping it? Let me know in the comments. I love when y'all comment and I reply back to you. So are y'all busy moms? And even if you're not a mama, y'all dads, are y'all wrapping gifts? Have y'all finished? You know, because since we're Hindu, like Buddhists, I don't really, you know, teach her Christmas and all that stuff. I don't really do all that. But in daycare and out in the world, you know, people, I let her, you know, see what's going on. I'm not gonna completely shelter her from society, you know what I'm saying? Because that's how kids get hurt and their feelings get hurt and all that sensitive stuff goes on. So this is cool. And I didn't do an outro video, so I'm just gonna completely continue talking through this. But oh my goodness, this juicer is so nice. Thank you. This juicer is so adorable. I needed a new juicer, I'm telling you. Look at me, I'm trying to be lazy. I do not want to cut it because she likes playing with knives, and she was like right there next to me. So I was just like, okay, if she keep running over here, I'm gonna have to get rid of this knife. So I just want to show you, this is how you would, you know, do it. I'm guessing because it has a space for it. Yes, hunty. But don't forget to check out my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, one word. Be the reason someone smiles today. And let's continue with this. And happy holidays, you know. And Merry Christmas to everybody that celebrates it. You know, I'll see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.